How to change profile picture on the Bigo Live app. So first tap on Me option, which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then your screen should look something like this. Here simply tap on your current profile picture. Then tap on the option which is located on the top right corner. After tapping on it, you'll see a plus icon right next to your current profile picture. Simply tap on it. Then you'll see two options on your screen. Choose from album or take a photo. Simply tap on your preferred option and you can now change your profile picture in the Bigo Live app. So these are some simple few steps you can follow to change your profile picture. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.